Hey guys, get ready with me to go on a mini trip with my boyfriend. We're gonna go to the east side of Korea, to Gangneung, to the beachy side. I am so excited, but I am not excited for this weather. Guys, it's literally the end of January and it's freezing cold. Like, it's been not stop snowing, and it's weather. It's not funny, it's not cute, it's not given. We're going to celebrate the New Year's, like Solal, we call it in Korean, but you guys might know it as Chinese New Year's as well. So we're gonna go to celebrate that, and I'm really excited because it's our first trip of the New Year's, so I'm very excited for that. But like, again, the weather, it's not cute. It's not, you know me, guys. I come from Miami. I am a tropical girl, summer girl, and this weather, it ain't for me. Guys, this trip, I have been looking forward to it for the longest since the beginning of this year. And I know it's like the end of January, but like literally this year just started and I have been going through it with work. Like, guys, when I say like Korean society workplace is toxic, it is toxic. Like all I'm gonna say, like, think twice before coming to Korea and work here, like at an academy. Like, literally, that's all I'm gonna say, because no, what I'm going through, it's like literally, cause that like I'm literally like one day I want to like expose. Like, you know, like I want to like do like exposing, spill the tea, like the truth about Korea. Like, I wanna do that, but like I'm looking like also scared. Like, what happened if like my academy sees it and then like they sue me or something? Like, but that's some tea for another day to spill. Regardless of that, I need to like get ready fast because I know my boyfriend is on his way to come and get me. So I need to like bali get ready, which if you guys don't know what bali means fast in Korean. Look at my Twilingo. If you guys didn't know, I speak also Spanish because I am Cuban, soy cubana, so también hablo español. If you guys want a video of me speaking only in Spanish, comment down below y le puedo hacer un video yo hablando solamente español. Like, I don't know what in mind this voiceover has gotten into. Like, I'm just literally sitting down here looking at myself, the future me. Hi, past me, just talking here. Wow, I'm like really weird, guys. Like, I just noticed. Also, I'm sorry, like this was in January and like I am literally editing this in April. Like, that's how you know I have been through it. With work. Like, it's just been work. Like, been through it work. Like, work has been killing me. Killing me. Yeah. I feel like I'm ranting to you guys. I feel like this is like a podcast. Like, this Get Ready With Me has turned into like a podcast, you know? You know what I mean? Should I do a podcast? Should I be like one of those YouTubers that just turn into a podcast? Haha, nope. Anyways, let me like just stop and like hurry up doing my makeup. Edit like fast. So guys, here I am literally freaking out last minute packing because my man texted me I'm 10 minutes away and I literally have to like fit all my stuff in my duffel bag. Literally, why do I leave everything for last minute? But it's okay. I might have like low-key overpacked. It's literally a overnight trip. Like, we're literally staying at this hotel for like one night. But you know, guys, I'm just a girl. Like, I need my makeup, I need my hair stuff, like I need my stuff. Like, I made it all fit in one duffel bag, so your girl was good to go, literally. So here I am, just zipping it up and ready to go on this 2-hour road trip. So we stopped real quick at the rest stop to eat something because we were literally hungry, and it started to snow again, and it was so pretty. Like I literally went outside to like literally take photos and like take a mini video because it was so pretty. But we literally were so hungry that I ordered a kimchi jjigae, which is like kimchi stew, and my boyfriend literally had bibimbap, which is like rice with vegetable. And then we wanted something sweet for the road, so we went to the convenience store to get some snack, and I literally got like a water bottle and strawberry milk because I literally love the strawberry milk here. And I grabbed some M&Ms. If you guys don't know, like my favorite chocolate are literally M&Ms. The peanuts, but literally in this convenience store they didn't have the peanuts, so I had to get like the regular M&Ms, but it's okay. So here we are, just putting last minute gas in the car before we start to heading out to the road again. I think by this point we only have like 1 hour and 30 minutes left, if I'm not mistaken. But you know, as the passenger princess duty, just look at me here, drinking my dagi uyu, my strawberry milk, and just eating her M&M, period, as I should. We finally made it to the hotel, and we checked in, and as we're going up to the elevator, and we checked into a hotel room. The whole room was so nice, guys. It was so nice. I'm giving you guys literally like a mini quick tour. Like we had like a mini fridge. This is our room, the bed, the table that they gave us. I don't know what you call that section. And the balcony I'm gonna show you guys, but I'm gonna switch to my phone like that you guys can see the view better from my phone. And I'm gonna zoom in because you guys can see like the sea from the camera, if that makes sense. I don't know, like, can you see? I don't think you guys can see. Anyways, from the left side, that's like the rooftop / indoor pool where we're gonna go there in a few seconds. So yeah, that's like the room. And then after that, we went for a quick walk outside. When I tell you guys, it was so cold and so windy. Your girl is not built for this weather. Like, I am not built for this weather, like at all. Like I was trying to make this video like very cute, very aesthetically pleasing, and I couldn't. Like your girl looked like a potato sack in this video. Like I'm not even kidding to you. Like my boyfriend wanted to go up these stairs, and I'm like, no, I can't. It's too windy and it's too cold. But regardless of that, like I was just happy to be near the ocean. I've always been a beach girl growing up. I always went to the beach. So this is why I'm so excited to see the ocean, because being in Korea is very hard for me. Go to the beach because it's very hard. So when I get the chance, I'm very excited. After the walk, we went to eat at the hotel restaurant. We ate raw meat. Yes, in Korea you eat raw meat and it tastes good. And we ate seafood pancake, which I love, but I've eaten better. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the food here was okay. It wasn't the best, but it was okay. After eating, we got to the hotel room. We changed into a swimsuit and we put on the hotel room. And we went to the rooftop pool, and it was so cold to go there, but we made it. Not gonna lie, the water for the rooftop pool could have been warmer, but it was good. We did it. We made it. But we were like there for like literally like less than 5 minutes, and then we went to the indoor pool because it was like way warmer. Like outside it was super cold. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, we were like less than 30 minutes in the pool. Like we couldn't do it. It was like super cold. And like going back to the hotel room after being wet, oh my god, I don't even know how we did that. Like it was like literally so bad. We literally came to the gym at the hotel just to record videos, and there's a lot of people here. I thought the gym was gonna be empty, but yeah, Gym people really go hard.
One more time.
Bruh.
I got almost done. This time I'm gonna. This time.
So the next day we went to this museum. It was very well known and it's very popular due to its photogenic scenery and so pretty, and it was just perfect. Like, I love the vibe. Like, I love museum dates. Like, that's one of my things to go. Like, museum dates are like one of my favorite things to do. And this museum was so pretty. It had a cafe inside and it had like levels. Like, you had to go up and then go to the basements, and like it was so beautiful. Like, I'm gonna stop talking for you guys to see the vlog for yourself because this museum was super pretty and you guys have to see it. Where are we going?
We're going to 출렁다리.
Which is? Explain
like a
for the
really-
non-Korean viewers.
It's like a bridge with like really big ocean view in Gangneung.
Wow. You excited? Oh my god. Oh, I love the sound of the waves. So pretty. Wow. You want you now? Your turn. Catchy, catchy. This one. Here, you do it. You're taller. Hold it. You're too tall for me. Is it pretty? Wow.
How about this? So I'm gonna stand here, and I'm gonna like, hey, come, and you're gonna come
No,
with me.
just let's just walk.
No.
Let's just walk together.
No. I just.
You're just
This is what people like.
okay. Let's go. Card. Can't do anything cute with this man.
I'm a better YouTuber than you.
Shut up.
If I try, like I'm gonna, I'll surpass your subscribers in like one day.
Guys, don't listen to him, please.
For dinner, we're gonna eat at a restaurant.
Wait, let's stay here for a little bit. Hey, hello, there's so many. There's so many. Oh my god. I want them all. Which one should I keep?
Let me see. I like that one. The left, yeah.
And this one?
Just one. Get one. I like the brown one.
I like this one too. It's like an ombre.
Yeah.